Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike, and welcome back to Classic Kit Review. This week, we're going to be taking a look at the Ford Mustang. In this episode, we're going to be looking at the 4th generation Mustang and the continuation of the Fox body platform. I'll cover a brief history of the car, then we'll dive in to the only late model kit released by either manufacturer and take a look. Thanks for stopping by today, and I hope you enjoy this episode of Classic Kit Review. Let's get started. The Mustang received an updated body style for 1999 with sharper contours, larger wheel arches, and creases in its bodywork. But its basic proportions, interior design, and chassis remain the same as the previous model. The Mustang's powertrains were also carried over for 1999, but benefited from new improvements. The V6 was now rated at 190 horsepower, while the 4.6-liter V8 saw a slight increase to 260 horsepower. 3 alternate models were also offered in this generation: the 2001 Bullitt Mustang, the 2003 and 2004 Mach 1, and the Cobra in 1999 and 2001, then returning in 2003 and 2004 with a huge bump in horsepower. Monogram and Revell seem to have the upper hand with Ford Mustangs since the late 1990s and early 2000s. This is the only late 4th generation kit released by either manufacturer, and the kit has only seen 2 subsequent releases since the initial 1998 tool. Now that we have a little background on the car and a brief history of the kit, let's dive in and take a look. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Revell Monogram 1999 Mustang Cobra Hardtop. This is the only body style released from any of the major manufacturers. So this is what we have to look at. Take a look at the decals since those are on top. Decals look alright. A lot of underhood components right there. The gauges look great. A couple of Cobra emblems. Here's all your paint callouts. Looks pretty straightforward. Alright. Let's see what came in the box. We got one bag of all your parts. Let me open this up. And, oh, that opened up very easily. Never mind. Let's take a look at the body. Body looks pretty good. Nice, clean mold lines. Again, positive mounts for the rear spoiler. I like that. A little bit of cleanup here. Not too bad. Okay. Let's take a look at this tree. See interior. Interior looks very nicely detailed. Exhaust system. Everything looks pretty good. There's your center console. Very nice. Your dashboard.
this one over. Let's take a look at the chassis first. Chassis looks nice and sharp. A lot of detail on there. Some various under hood components. There's some of your engine components. There's your engine. All right. Let's take a look at the seats. Front seats look real nice. Little seam line on the sides, not a big deal. Windshield wipers. There's that steering wheel. Seat backs look nice. Again, the seat belt hangers up there. All right, here's some of your suspension components, and looks like you got an intake there. Okay. Door cards look real nice. There's your spoiler. And again, there's a positive mounting location. I really like that. It's such a great idea. Top of the hood. Disappointed they never came out with a later model Cobra. This would have looked great had it been like an 04. It's pretty cool. There is a Cobra detail on the underside of the hood. All right, give me just 1 second. Let's get to the chrome parts. These have to be the worst designed boxes. Let's take a look at the glass. There is a lot of flash up here in the glass. You guys can see that. That's easy to clean up, but still kind of a pain. Looks like the areas that you paint are frosted. The other areas are super, super clear. Again, some underhood water bottles and such. Coolant bottles. Clear parts look really nice. Let's take a look at the chrome. Again, hate those boxes. Chrome looks pretty good. This little chrome Mustang. That's pretty neat. All right, let's take a look at the tires. Tires are already assembled. Tread looks nice. These do say, real hard to see, but the tires do say Goodyear Eagle F1. Very, very nice tires. I hate these two-piece wheels that go in there. All right, well, that's all there is to it. The only piece molded in red is the center brake light. All right, let me get this cleaned up, and I'll be right back. Well, there you have it. A look at the Revell Monogram 99 Mustang Cobra Hardtop. Very cool car. This one, pretty plain, but the kit looks great, the detail looks great, and it's still going to be a fun build. On the next episode of Classic Kit Review, we're going to be taking a look at the Revell 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 and the Revell 2013 Mustang Boss 302. I'm really excited about both of these kits, and I can't wait for you to take a look with me. So stay tuned, and I will see you on the next episode of Classic Kit Review.